Configuring a board on Monday.com is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your workflow and boost productivity. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and click on the Create a Board button. First, choose a board template that aligns with your needs, such as a project management or CRM template. If you can't find a template that fits your requirements, you can start from scratch with a blank board. Next, give your board a name and add a description to provide context. This will help you and your team understand the purpose of the board and what it will be used for. Now, set up your board structure by adding columns. Monday.com offers a variety of column types, including text, date, and status columns. For example, you can add a text column to capture task names, a date column to track deadlines, and a status column to monitor progress. After setting up your columns, add items to your board. These items can represent tasks, projects, or any other work unit that you want to track. You can add as many items as you need, and each item can have its own set of columns and values. To make your board more informative, add groups to categorize your items. For instance, you can create groups for different projects, teams, or priorities. This will help you filter and focus on specific parts of your board. Another key feature of Monday.com is automations. You can set up automation recipes to perform repetitive tasks, such as sending notifications or assigning tasks. This can save you time and reduce manual errors. Finally, customize your board to fit your needs. You can change the board layout, add custom views, and integrate with other apps and services. For example, you can add a calendar view to see upcoming deadlines or integrate with your email client to receive notifications. By following these steps, you can create a customized board on Monday.com that helps you manage your work more efficiently. Remember to keep your board organized, up to date, and aligned with your goals. With practice, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and take your productivity to the next level.